Hi guys, tonight I will show you how to code and program a towing bar into Citroen Berlingo, and we will see what steps are needed to code it right. We will go in this PSI module and also into the second one. It's called a BSR, but about that later. So guys, I will now show you how to check if everything is connected in wiring correctly when you are adding TOWTEC. You will go to BSR, enter. We are in BSR. Now we will go to actuation test and we can choose anything. For now, as an example, I will show you the brake lights command. And now you see that we will turn on the brake lights. Now we will stop it and it's turned off. So you can check if the wiring is done correctly. So we are now going to code the towing bar into ECU. So we will go to BSI, enter. This will take fairly amount of time, so I will now, and we will now give OK, tap on OK. Now we will go to special functions. After this, we will go to configuration. Now we will go to ECUs present. And now we need to scroll down and search for the towing bar or trailer. Here we have it. Now tap on it. Yes. And now we will go and tap to present. Now configuration, and we will wait for all the things cars will need. As you have seen, it was working, but after the coding, you just will tap on OK or confirm and it will be done. Now we can go and check if everything is working out. Yeah. When you add the wiring loom, always there will be one full code of communication in this BSI module. It will appear here. But when you make the ECU present of towing, then after this you are able to clear the DTC. We have done it. So remember that this is the fault and always will be. After this we can go further and check if the loom and coding is successful. We will check it in BSR. Now we are doing the last actuation test. We will go to BSR, enter, and then I will show you the data stream and actuation test. So now we are going to actuation test, and we will try just one to see if it's working. For example, we are going to reversing light. Start. And then now I will tap on the stop, and you see. So this is the first. You can also check if it's working through the read the data stream. You will go to, for example, you can check the BSR. Here are the switches. Now we don't have connected trailer, but brake pedal is connected. If we touch the brake, then it will work. And also you can check the lightning. And you have here many models inactive, but before this they wasn't just inactive but also haven't been coded. Now you can turn them on when you connect the trailer, and this is how you can check all the things are working well. After this, just one more time, you will check all the ECUs, clear the coding, and it's done. So we are back to installation of the trailer on PSA cars. This is the kit from TOWTEC. Please always check the instructions, and for example in TOWTEC check in which direction should it be connected, because even after coding you can have problems. that does mean that you won't be able to turn anything on and you will have faults in ECUs. But now everything is okay, and I will show you how does it work. As you see, trailer is working, and now something different. So that's all. If you have any questions, contact us and we will be happy to help you. Bye.